Did you know that 98% of website visitors leave after just 54 seconds without taking any action? That means you have less than 1 minute to capture their attention, answer their questions, and guide them toward a conversation. The problem is, most websites rely on static text and generic chatbots that don't engage users in a meaningful way. But what if you could have an interactive, Siri-like voice bubble that proactively engages website visitors, answers their questions in real time, and even qualifies leads for you? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build one for yourself. With that said, let's jump in and get started. So first thing we want to do to build this voice bubble, which by the way, this is an example of what that looks like on our website, sitting in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, or you can change it to right, left, middle, wherever you want it on your website. And the goal is for it to just interact with your website visitors. So first thing we do when we want to make this voice bubble is we go into the onboarding screen of AQX here. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. It's completely free to start. Once you get through the setup screens, this is the first thing you'll see here, which is the onboarding. First thing we want to do is we want to make sure that this create a voice bubble for your website is selected. Then we click next step. We're going to choose from a template. In our case, I actually want to create one from scratch. I'm going to make an example voice bubble like the one that we have on our AQX website. So create from scratch. Next step. Campaign name, I'm just going to say number 1, voice bubble number 1. And for industry, I'm going to say it's in AI technology. For company name, AQX. If you're making this for your business, you'd enter your company name. Agent name, I'm just going to call it Ava. Perfect. And then we can select a voice that we want to have, and you can actually play what these sound like.
Hi there, I'm Kelsey.
So here under agent type, I'm just going to select sales because I want it to answer questions and try to lead the website visitor towards actually setting up a demo appointment with us. Then we will click next step once we've gone through there. And this step, we need to give the agent its actual knowledge. So we have to tell it what it needs to know. In our case, I'm going to actually add 2 things. So first, I'm going to add our website, AQX.ai. And this will actually scrape the website and input all of that data so the agent can speak to anything on that web page. I also want to add our pricing page so that the agent has information on our pricing. I'm going to input that there and click add knowledge. And finally, we can also upload any documents that we have. So I actually have a text document that I want the agent to have the info from. So I'm just going to drag and drop that in. So the agent will have information on our homepage, on our pricing page, as well as the custom information that I've input in this text document and uploaded here. So next step. Now we can actually click on it and experience what it sounds like.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hey, I'm just wondering if you can tell me what company you work for.
Sure, I work for AQX, which stands for Ask Questions and Explore. We specialize in AI technology for customer calls. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about our services?
Yeah, how much do you charge for your growth plan?
Our growth plan is priced at $399 per month. It includes 1,800 minutes per month. Plus, it offers multilingual support and phone support.
Awesome. So as you can see, it has a conversation with the user. Anything you ask it that's on the website, it knows, as well as anything I ask it that's in that actual text document that I uploaded, it also knows. So from here, we're just going to click next step. And now here we can actually copy this embed code and put it into our website wherever we want it to show up. Go to whichever website hosting service you use and input this embed code. So we're just going to finish onboarding. So now this is the dashboard here. We can see I've had 2 interactions with it so far. One of them was the test one, and then another one I accidentally clicked out on again. So it recorded both interactions. If we go under agents, we can see Ava is in here as well. And we can see the campaign is currently inactive. So if we just X out of here and then click down to voice bubble, we'll see it here. And this is where we can toggle it to be active. And this we can see here, we've got our knowledge. If we ever want to add more knowledge to the voice bubble, we can do that through here. We can just click add knowledge, either drag a file or add another web page. You can also click on copy the embed code. So we've copied it again in case we lose it. We can get that again and paste it into our website. And also click on edit, so we can change where this agent is located through here. And then we go next, we can update the company name, agent name, industry, voice. But we can also change the type of agent as well. And once again, we can add more knowledge. In this case, I'm just going to skip that. And here we can also adjust what the agent is saying. So under our first message, we can, if we don't want it to say hello, we can have it say hi instead. And we can also change the overall scripting. So if we don't like some of the things that it's saying, some of the structure, we can go in here and edit that as well. And that's through the script section. So again, you can just test it out here. I'm just going to skip that for now. And that is it. So we're just going to finish and activate. And so the voice bubble is updated. And that's how you create a customized voice AI bubble for your website. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to try it for yourself, just use the link in the description below and you can build one for yourself.